A dynamic education is tailored and adaptive. It recognises the need to shift beyond measurement of context or the transfer of knowledge as the single most important focus. Yet many existing models focus primarily on exactly that. A view of education as a linear transaction, relatively static and passive. This might be the start, but hardly the sum of holistic learning. Instead, a move beyond information towards knowledge is a first step in the right direction. But knowledge, seen simply as the recall of facts or detail, remains quantifiable and finite. Knowledge that leads to understanding, however, is an entirely different matter.
Understanding is the ability to make meaning. Meaning is contextually relevant and requires engagement. Transformational learning begins when understanding leads to empathy.
Empathy is interconnected. It is intangible and non-linear. It applies meaning and draws conclusions from common experiences. Empathy bridges divides and opens doors to creativity.
Creative processes actively relate to the nature and shape of things, to deduce, infer, predict, hypothesize. Creativity is both interdependent and boundless, dynamic and limitless.
It moves the abstract to the tangible, from conceptual to practical, from theory to action.
Creativity in education is infinite, and that is magical. E squared. Connecting catalysts.
Creating change.